Yes, I'm aware of the creator program on Kickstarter. Thank you. There's more requirements than just streaming every day. I think you need like a following, etc. Don't tell me what to do, Stella. You join it. All right, we're on YouTube. Don't tell me what to do, Stella. You at 2K? What's the resolution on YouTube? All right. Um, yeah, 2K. Awesome. All right, let's go. Let's go. Meaning. Yeah, have you found any good auto agents? Um, yeah, I like Open Interpreter, but even that one still has a long way to go. There's a lot of issues and hard to get it working. But they can be pretty good. Depends what you're trying to do. Are you trying to like a general auto agent or like one specific for building apps, etc.? One is still scheduled? Yeah, don't worry about that. Just forget about the scheduled one. Ignore it. Ignore ignore the scheduled one. Okay. This is the schedule for today. Not the YouTube schedule, the stream schedule agenda. This thing Kai, shout out Kai, or yeah, Kai. I don't know. I feel like I might be pronouncing his name wrong. I always say Kai, so I'm gonna keep saying Kai, because his name on Discord sometimes uh Kaigwin or Keegwin, so it could be Key, but we're gonna go with Kai. He shared this status of a new open source text to speech with prosodic control. So prosodic control like matches like the rhythm and I think maybe even emotion of voice. So it's less robotic and it's really small. It's less than 1 billion parameters. I guess there's a two-stage model, so maybe together it's over 1 billion. But yeah, still pretty small. And have a listen to the speech. Let me mute myself. Let me double check that that worked. That did not work. Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, now's the time for the next step in speech emulation.
Let us introduce you to Mars 5.
Sometimes it can be inspiring.
Other times it can be a bit sassy.
And talk back with a little bit of spirit in it.
You are commanding.
Or hear it put you to sleep quietly.
Watch him in game mode, voicing up a winning shot. Can he make it? Go!
Now we hope your ears are a bit satisfied.
Because we have an offer you can't refuse.
Mars 5 is now open source.
Ladies and gentlemen, now's the time for the next step in speech emulation.
Let us introduce you to Mars 5.
Sometimes it can be inspiring.
Other times it can be a bit sassy.
I love open source. That means we can use it. Really amazing voice cloning with less than 5 seconds of audio. And they have a demo hosted on Hugging Face. So we're going to test it out right now for free, thanks to Hugging Face and Mars 5 text to speech. So we're going to need 5 seconds of audio at least. So we're going to go online voice recorder. Yep. This is me really excited. Yeah, I don't know if I have to be excited, but this is me excited, talking in excitement. Yeah. Okay. That's the excited one. And then let's just do a normal one. Because I don't know if we have to be excited. Hey, this is TechFriend. I want to introduce you to a new open source tool called Mars 5. With just 5 seconds of audio, it can make text-to-speech model from your voice. Something like that. And then that's the... ooh. Ooh. Voice excited. Voice normal. Okay, dokie. Let's go. Alright, let's try to do... do they have tips? I don't know. Let's just try upload the excited voice. Let's see. Messi takes the ball. Passes to Xavi. Back to Messi. Messi runs towards goal. Goal! He scores! Argentina are the world champions. Okay, generate. Ooh, this is saying it's gonna take 500 seconds. So, we'll let that generate. You can do the overrides straight in the Google browser. How do you mean? It's Kaiguin like Peguin. You mean like penguin? How do you make it Kai like pen? Like Ken? Ken. Keguin. Keg? Ke. No, it's K-I-E. I don't know. We're gonna need him to explain. Oh, Botrix finally joined the friggin' chat after like 10 years. Actually, I wasn't on YouTube before. Okay, that makes sense. Make intros with excited voice. Yeah, maybe. You sound like Minecraft villager. Oh, oh, oh. Have you seen that we can go get for get? Go to inspect, then go to sources, go to CSS. Oh, inspect, sources. Oh, let's see here. Where? Then what? There's a few CSS files though. This one? Oh, let's see what also these things could change, these class names. I reckon they probably do change. That is also another issue. It's like they're generated on the fly. Oh wait, I should probably. Yeah, I can't find this class name. I don't know, dude. Like in select folder and right click. On the right in the structure, right click CSS. Right in the structure. Wait, you're in elements? Go to sources. On the right. No. Go to the CSS. Right click on it and click override content. Ah, nice. But I don't know, I didn't find the class that I changed in any of these files was my issue. On the left side. Yeah, I guess we could do it from here as well. Select a folder to store override files in. Oh, that's cool. Maybe it's from here. And I did like Control P. That kind of brings up the file search thing. And I tested all the 3 CSS files. Wait, oh, there's more? Oh, there's more. I don't know, man. It's too much. Okay. We're about halfway, supposedly. Sometimes the estimated time isn't accurate either. But I hope this one is. Oh, it's advanced settings. Yeah, whatever. Look at Kegwin's. Alright, we're saying Kegwin now. Kegwin's profile pic. On what, Discord? Yo, this guy studies Gemini AI. Nice. No, I appreciate it, Mr. T. Where is Kegwin? Okay. Yeah, it's a penguin. Penguin. Kegwin. Okay, Kegwin. But then what, like, is it just Ke? When he doesn't have Gwyn, it's just Ke? Like, what's up, Ke? Then why is there an I there? You know? These are the mysteries. Oh, also, how does the stream look when I have Windows in full screen? Is another question I have. Oh, it's not bad if I'm on the side. That's so good. That could be a thumbnail. We're screenshotting that. How do I screenshot? Oh, there we go. Actually, I should have done this version because I think it saves to desktop. Nice. I'll take some more frames as well. See, they're all about the same. All right. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you the Get for the Get Minecraft. Have you guys seen this? Yeah, this one. This is so good. Wait, this isn't even Minecraft Steve. Oh, this isn't even the one I'm thinking about, but no, this isn't even it. How do they do that? And there's even like a bird one. There's so many. Like they definitely use some kind of. I know the video I think is done with Viggle, but how do they do the sound? Like so brain rot, dude. I don't know. It's crazy. Wait, maybe we could go get tutorial. We can go get tutorial. Here we go. I bet this is like a highly searched phrase.
It's 4 a.m. and this young dude, he's on the roof of this luxury.
Ray William Johnson. Oh, that was it. Hold on.
We can go get forgot. Fuck that. We can go whistle raise.
We can go get forgot. Fuck that, we can go wrist for wrist. It's $19 for the. Oh man.
Make a tutorial. I don't know. Is my voice ready? No, see? The estimation wasn't accurate. Ah, that's a bit of a shame. They do have a GitHub. They might have a demo posted somewhere else. They have a they have a collab. Collab quick start online demo. Oh, they also have a demo here on Gradio. All right, let's try this as well. We're gonna do the same. Voice excited. Same prompt. About messy. Select features, fine. Advanced settings, fine. Generate. Ooh, this one generates, wow, so many different candidates. And this one's estimated at 91 seconds. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, we can run it in Colab. I think that is the best, like most reliable, because Google Colab kind of dedicates some GPU resources specifically for you. Whereas with Hugging Face and other one, Gradio, hosted on Ngrok, I feel like, I don't know, it's more shared resources. Look at Kai's message and introductions. Oh, does he explain there? Host casual tech brain stream. Yes. Where's Kai's introduction here? Keys. Kegs. But he's never said, by the way, my name is Kieran. Gwyn. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Kieran Gwyn. So Key. Yo, what's up, Key? Key. Yeah, okay, Key. I'm gonna call him Key from now on. Well, I'm gonna try. I'll probably forget, to be honest. Oh, thanks for the heart. That was a cool looking heart. Dominion of God. What's up, man? Welcome. Search Minecraft villager sings believer. Okay. How do they do this one? Is it just... It's one of those AIs that can do voice changing, right? Like, I kind of want to do a tutorial on how other people can do this, because it doesn't look like there's many or any. Oh, here we go. Get forget. That's not a tutorial. Damn, this meme has 72 million views.
Delightful. Really delightful. I'm the Globglow Gabgala. I love books, and this basement is a true treasure trove. I am the Globglow Gabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Schwabble dabble glibber glabber schwibble schwab glab. Hibble double schwibble schwabble glibber glab schwab.
It's kind of hard. Yes, this was sampled by Kanye. Damn. 6-year-old meme. Oh, we got our generated audio, guys. You ready? You ready for this? Yes, I think we're ready. Ready? All right, first candidate.
Messi takes the ball, passes it in, back to Messi. Messi runs towards goal. Boom! He scores. Argentina are the world champions.
Okay, that doesn't really sound like me.
This is me really excited. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't
maybe.
know if I have to be excited, but this is me excited. Talking in excitement. Yeah. This is me really.
Messi takes the ball.
Okay, that's pretty similar. I always surprise myself with what I sound like. I don't sound like what I think I sound like.
Messi takes the ball, passes to Zayn, back to Messi. Messi runs towards goal. He scores.
I think it struggles with the capitalization.
Messi takes the ball, passes to saving, back to messing. Messy rolls towards goal. 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 He scores. Argentina are the world champion. Messi takes the ball, passes to Xavi. He runs toward. Messi takes the ball, passes to Zayden. Messi takes the ball, passes to takes the ball, passes to Xavi, back to Messi. Messi runs towards.
That one actually sounds like pretty excited.
Messi takes the ball, passes to Xavi, back to Messi.
Oh, you guys are probably hearing this in Dumble. Hey, is this free? Yes, it's free and open source and really small. It's not really similar to Vappy. Vappy is like a whole service. They provide you to build agents that you can talk to. This is just a text-to-speech model and a voice cloning model. They don't really provide anything like a service. I mean, they have this demo just so you can test the model. But Vappy, you can do like function calling, like a whole bunch of extra agentic functions and functionality on top of the model. I don't even think Vappy does voice cloning, but you can use 11 Labs to clone your voice. But yeah, this is open source, amazing. I'm sorry if you got the double voice, so I'm gonna mute my mic and.
Messi takes the ball. Messi takes the ball, passes to Xavier, back to Messi. Messi runs toward. Messi takes the ball, passes to Xavi. Messi takes the ball, passes to Zayden, back. Messi takes the ball, passes to Zayden, back to Messi.
Okay, that was pretty good. Can you guys hear me? Yes, nice. Now let's do my normal voice. And I think we've learned that it doesn't really do good with like capitalization. So we're gonna not do capitalization. And we're gonna do just the normal voice. And I'm gonna be like, hello guys, let me introduce you to what might be the best new open source voice model. Anyone can run this easily and clone their voice with just 5 seconds of training data. What else should I say? What you're hearing now was not spoken by me. Okay, sounds good. Oh, there's like a reference speaker you can select, but we will leave that. All right, let that go. And the Hugging Face demo had an error. Unfortunately, that's a common thing I've seen with spaces, is like some spaces just don't work. Don't know why. Luckily, they have their own Gradio app, which I will comment on this being like, this works better from my experience. Try this. Okay. Where's a notification? Sella, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. Yo, Luxury Homes, what's up? What did you miss? Not much. We're just messing around. Yes, just testing a new voice cloner named Mars 5. Exactly. Thanks, Flashy. Abu, hey, love your work. Thank you. Can you make a video about creating your own avatar and train it to answer questions from your own answers? Good question. How do you envision users to interact with the avatar? Like on a website or I think you can do it with, I probably won't make a video on it, but I think 11 Labs, can they make an avatar? Maybe not. Maybe Synthesia. Can they make an avatar that you can talk to? AI avatars. No, I think there's a pre-existing. I don't know what the best avatar creation. Create your own AI avatar. Wait, does it have to look like you? Because if you use Synthesia, you can make one pretty easily, but it won't look like you. I don't know. I used Creatify before, but that one isn't really interactive. That's more for making videos. And this model right here, yeah. Participate in GPTOS building competition. There's a GPTOS building competition? What is that? I do have other stuff I was gonna do. I didn't know GPTOS had a building competition though. Yeah, you saw it before? Yeah. Yeah, Creatify, it makes you an avatar that I can create future videos. Although I think it's kind of expensive, and also you can't really do this bit. I don't think. Yeah, what we're gonna do next is there's this thing called Buildspace, and they started the program season 5 nights and weekends. I think I'm part of it. I'm not sure. I didn't get like an acceptance letter, but I got a, hey, it's week 2, submit your stuff. And I'm like, okay. So I submitted some stuff for week 2, and pretty much now week 3 of this program. All right, I should probably rewind a bit. It's like a program where you work on nights and weekends on your ideas. Take any idea you're excited about, and they put on lectures and stuff to help you grow your idea, I guess. And originally I just submitted TechFriend, because that's easy and something I'm working on any day anyway. But then for week 2, I submitted the thing that I worked on last stream, which was kind of like the AI editor workflow. So I might continue with that. I don't know. All right, we have our demo. On Discord. Oh, nice. A demo of the text-to-speech with my 5 seconds. I actually put 11 seconds of training data. Let's see what it sounds like.
Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might be the best min open source voice model.
Yeah, I don't think that sounds too much like me. Let's check. Hey, this is TechFriend.
Hello, guys. Let me introduce you.
I don't think that either.
Hello, guys. Let me introduce you. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might be the best new. Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might.
These are pretty bad. Especially this one. These are like mostly silent.
Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might be the best new open source voice. Hello, guys.
Let me introduce you to what might be the best.
Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might be the best new open source voice model. Anyone can run this easily. Hello, guys. Let me introduce you to what might be the best new open source voice model. Anyone can run this easily and clone your voice with just 5 seconds of training.
I'm not very impressed with those ones. But yeah, if you're interested, check it out. Camp AI Mars 5 TTS. Open source, pretty small model. Or 2 models, about 1 billion parameters together. Yeah. And you can test it for free on their online demo. Okay. Anything new in the chat? Doesn't sound like you. Yeah, I didn't think so. The one that I did previously sounded more like me, with the same tool, but yeah. I was honestly expecting a bit better. And I was also expecting more tools to kind of change the emotion and cadence, but didn't really seem like there was that many parameters to do that. Sound kind of like you, yeah, kind of, but like not much. All right, so let's continue. Let me see, can I log in here? What is this? So they've built this thing called Sage. Oh, sweet, log me in automatically. And let's see, nights and weekends S5. 30 days till demo day. Okay, interesting. Lab 2, plan and build your toy. Lecture 3, get people to care. Oh, this is cool. It's like a Mac desktop. Okay, update 1. Let me see if I can show you my update. Okay, so this is kind of what they need you to submit for week 1. What's your one-liner? I just put a new way to edit videos with the help of LLMs. Why do you want to work on this? And I said I'm having trouble finding a video editor to match my taste. I think AI can help a lot. Like AI video editing. What stage are we at? We're just starting. Link your tweet to prove you shared it. I just proved the live stream we did yesterday where I'm talking about it, and you also need to submit feedback on 3 other people's ideas, and they kind of give you a template like this to show. So I put my one, a new way to edit videos with the help of LLMs, transcript-based editing with AI help, featuring auto categories, auto timestamps, plus more. And yeah, that was my week 1 submission. And now for week 2, let's look at their pack. They also provide a pack of like information to help you. Apparently over 60,000 people are working on their ideas. They do live stream lectures. This lecture 2 is about building a toy. So something small that kind of showcases the idea. I haven't watched it, so I'm guessing. Kind of like an MVP, but like even smaller maybe. And yeah, and it's due July 1st, so we have about 3-4 days to submit that. Here, okay, cool. Here's what's required. You need to build a toy version of your idea and show us your progress. It could be, if you're making music, a 30-second version of the song. If you're building an app, maybe just a wireframe. If you're building hardware, maybe a hand-drawn sketch. So it's really cool. And one of the biggest kind of value points of the idea I have is the actual user interface. So we might try to tackle that this stream. I'll give a bit of a rundown of how everything is supposed to work. Maybe just a flow chart, and we can get to it. So maybe I'll do this on Eraser. So Eraser has a really nice tool to kind of make diagrams and stuff, and I think they also have now an AI creation one. They only give you 5 files for free, so let me delete this. Oh, we can archive it? Oh, sweet. Create a new file, and I think we can create a diagram with AI. Here, AI diagram. Paste in a schema. So you can paste in code or a schema, infrastructure definition, or we can just explain it in plain language. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just explain it. We want kind of like a flow chart, I guess. A workflow for, I think it's bigger. I'm going to make a workflow for editing videos with the help of large language models and yeah, double large language models. So first, a video gets transcribed to a JSON file, including transcript chunks along with their. I think I actually have this written down here. Not well. I also have it actually on cursor here. 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 We could actually put that pseudocode in here. Takes first chunk of LLM. Okay, so this is it automatically. Maybe, okay, let's write this manually. The video gets transcribed to transcript chunks along with their start and end timestamps. Okay, 2. The chunks, the user provides categories and topics. Ooh, okay, hold on. Actually, we could have an LLM parses the transcript and extracts all topics and categories mentioned in the transcript. And then 3, user can edit the topics. 4, the LLM parses the transcript chunk by chunk, determining which chunk belongs to which topic category. 5, we are left with categorized transcript, which is shown in a beautiful way to the user. User does final editing, moving chunks around and manually categorizing chunks, moving chunks around and manually categorizing them. 6, a final clean up of the categories is made, removing silences and ums. And then 8, the tool can output start and end timestamps, so it can be passed to FFmpeg to automatically extract clips from the chunk start end points. Fuck, I hope that makes sense. That's kind of useful to kind of note in the notes as well. All right, let's see what Eraser comes up with. So they've created this. This is kind of cool. So start, transcribe video, generate JSON, and the LLM parses the transcript, extracts topics, which we can add to user interaction, final editing, cleanup. Okay. I don't think this workflow helps too much, but it was nice to write this down. This is kind of what we're going for. Sorry, for. The most important kind of the cool step for this toy task is the actual user interface at step 5 and 6. These are the important steps. Oh my god. These are the steps that I want to work on this stream, is kind of making a user interface where we can visualize the different categories in the transcript and easily add, remove, and move parts of them. I hope there's an AI that can help me do that. We're gonna have a look. Oh, yo, Victor C, thanks for the gift. Appreciate you. Yo, Adarsh, yeah, it's been so long. Haven't seen you in so long. Still quite impressive considering that only took 5 seconds. Yeah, are you talking about the flow chart? Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's about as good as you'd expect. I don't know what I expected. Probably something where I didn't have to scroll so much, but I guess based on what I described, it pretty much would be this. I mean, it looks really good too. So yeah, shout out to Eraser for that. Now, which AI is good at generating user interface from text? Obviously, we have openUI. That one's pretty good. We can try this. And we also have v0. We also have openv0. We also have GPT-call. So let's try and make a really good prompt for this. Let's see. UI prompt. So it would be like an interface where user sees text transcript from a long video. The text is categorized in different topics, can be text highlights, and colors. The user can edit the categories. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try to keep it. I'm gonna start with it vague and then eventually we can narrow it down. You can edit the categories. Example categories. What about like irrelevant, talking to chat, reviewing AI tool? All right. Let's try this prompt. Go. How far? I think openUI is pretty fast. Let's see how this goes. Okay. This looks really bad. Let's try it. Can we try again from start? No. We can just refresh. Oh, it keeps it in the history. How about open v0? Wait, v0.dev, GPT call, website developer. Let's go website master. And v0. Oh, we get to choose a theme with v0. Pastel. Okay, sign up. Webmaster is still going. Okay, I think we signed up. How am I with this view? People fine. Might make myself teensy bit smaller. Okay. Oh, this is nice. V0. Oh, this is really nice. I like this. Gives us three options here. This is B. Oh, this is nice too. This is nice too. I like B, but I like the colors in A. All right, let's continue with B, and we'll be like, color the transcript sections the same as the categories, same as its category color. Nice. I really like this. This is really good. Let's see what Website Master created. Not as good. Okay, I like. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. We had to wait. Wow, this is nice. Website Master is very similar. It's more complete as well. But yeah, if I was to rank them, I'd say v0 was the best. Gave us three options. openWebUI was the worst, and Website Master by GPT Cole was second place. Obviously, that's subjective. I think they all give you code. JSX, which is probably what I'll be using, so we'll see. Okay, color the transcript and its categories didn't really work. We're gonna regenerate. That's really cool. We get a regenerate button. Still not great. Is that because we went? I think it's picked. Oh no, it's picked number 2. Okay, that's good. Oh wow, we even got the Oh wow, it's interactable. That's really cool. Make the transcript categories colored by default. Okay, we're gonna keep iterating on this. I don't know how many tokens or credits I have, but yeah, this is really cool. What do you guys think? What time zone am I in? GMT +7 at the moment. Always streaming early, yeah. I tried to stream late, but I'm always so tired later in the day, so I'm sorry about that. Yo, Ring It Lion, how are you doing? This is the future. Okay, cool. Let's make some more changes. Make irrelevant category gray color. That's probably a waste of a credit. I don't know. Did we see how many credits I have? Okay, I have 165 credits. How many credits is just one feedback? Hopefully just one. Nice. What does this button do? Nothing. Okay. Now I have a bit of an experimental feature. Oh, actually, I don't know. This is quite good. You might leave it at this. The thing is, we can always go back, so why not? I was gonna say, like, look, we have a lot of white space here. So I'm gonna say, make the transcript sections, how do I say, like, be on one line if the, like, able to be on the same row if the width allows. Reduce the white space to reduce the white space. Oh shit, you know what would also be a cool interface? Oh, that would be so cool. Kind of like a Tinder swipe. It goes one by one. No, this is worse. This is worse. This is worse. Let's go back. Could we go back? How do we go back? Like this is really good. I like this. Um, let's say give an option to go to an alternate UI view for a UI view where transcript chunks are manually categorized one by one, similar to a Tinder swipe UI. That would be so cool. But we have the keys, so it's like, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this iterates of v3. I don't like v4, and I didn't. Anyway, let's see what happens. This is so cool, guys. I love this way of making user interfaces. Shout out to Versal and V0. This is really nice. Okay, sick. This is actually what I wanted. Dude, look at that. And you can click what. Oh, this is so cool. Let's say add a tooltip with hotkeys for each category. Wait, add a hotkey, a keyboard shortcut hotkey for each category. Dude, that's gonna be such a cool user interface. I hope it shows the key as well. Like maybe it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. That could work. Just numbers. That could really work. That would be really good. We could probably do that. That's actually a good idea. Good luck for the Gemini contest. Oh, thank you, bro. Are you entering as well? Mm-hmm. How many? Oh, yes, dude. It looks like we have 150 different feedbacks we can give. This is really cool. Make the hotkeys just numbers. No control. Also change the. Wait. Text is always back. Okay, no, that's fine. No control. Yeah, okay, let's change that. This is really cool. I wonder how hard it'll be to like integrate this into like a blank React project. And I wonder if the hotkeys will work. Like, let's see here. Is this does control one work? Okay, never mind. Let's see if 1, 2, and 3 and stuff work here. This is so cool, man. Like, coding with AI just is so much more fun. You can focus on stuff that actually matters instead of like coding syntax. Okay, that's done. All right, let's try press 2. Oh, yes, guys, it works. That is sick. That is so sick. All right. Show the previous if of previous and next chunk with less opacity if available. Guys, I need to go to the toilet. So I might play a video while we wait. Maybe from last stream showing the context of what we're doing today. Where is a good section? Here. Script code. So first we will chunk up the transcript, I reckon. Or do we go? Or just take first chunk of transcript. Take first chunk of the transcript to send to LLM with prompt to get it to classify into categories, timestamps. No. 3. Note down the start and finish times of each chunk. 4. Remove ums and ahs and silences from the new groups formed from steps 2. Okay, and then 5. Export videos. Export video for each category. That sounds pretty good to me. AI editor, wait, pseudocode or comments.js. Okay, that's it. Oh, we got the transcript. Let's go. Can we download it? That'll give you a good way to download it. And see, the chunk is set by itself now with Fast Whisper. I think we can change that if we host it. We can set the parameters. But okay, now we have the sample transcription from stream.json. Yo, 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 yo. Okay, it's your boy, transcript. It's your motherfucking boy, transcript. Okay, what we saying? Buttricks isn't saying anything. What are we building? An AI video editor. I gotta not lean in when reading chat. I noticed I lean in, it's bad for my neck. What about multi-stream? Oh, you're here. How come this didn't come through Buttricks? Fuck tricks. Oh, Flashweb, you run on Twitch. Okay. We have timestamps. We have pseudocode. We have tabs. Okay. Let's use Cursor to help us write this code that I want. So first I want to take first object. Wait, no. First I want to load array called transcription from sample transcription from stream. Why did I name it something so long? Okay. Gonna read the file. We'll change this to like a fetch call later probably. But now we have transcription with the Yo. Hey, Keegan. Key, we were just describe. Are you still here? Shoot another message if you're still here. What's up with the Gemini comp? It's a competition where you can win upwards of more than $300,000 in prizes by making any app where you integrate the Gemini API. Looks like a lot of people are interested in it. Which AI tool we're using in the IDE? That was Cursor. You're talking about in the YouTube video? Right here? Where are we? Here. This is Cursor. Yeah, I've been using Cursor pretty much. I bought the Pro subscription. It's pretty good. I really like it. I think it's the best AI IDE for sure. But when it comes to multiple file editing, it can struggle a bit. So in those situations, I use Aider. But yeah, I'm really liking v0 as well. Like it didn't kind of get my last request to the previous and next chunk with less opacity. Maybe I need to reword this prompt. Oh, Keegan looks like he left. Thank you. Keegan, I'm pretty sure it's Keegan. All right, let me try something else. We like separate the category titles into its own component on the right. The hell? Is it this? We're getting this error category. All right, maybe we should roll back to here. Okay. Ignore these properties undefined category. All right, I'm gonna try refresh. Maybe we get rid of this error. Okay, that's good. What are the category titles called? Category. Okay, no, it is. Kind of hard to read this. Button. Here we go. No. No. Yes. Category ID. Category label. Okay, let's try that. Separate. Make the category labels in inside its own separate container. Let's try that. Ooh, now they've added the color. That's cool. But still not separated. Categories of map. Drop down menu item. Oh, what is that? Wait. What the hell is that button? How do I, They have this button here, which changes the UI. That is sick. The weather is beautiful outside. It's currently gray. Okay. But if we press blue, it goes blue. That's sick. And we can also change it here. Oh, that is so cool. Maybe we have to specify inside the Tinder view, make the category labels Wait. I just don't like how they're showing inside the tin. Okay, let's leave it. I want to try to do the other thing is like to show the previous and next transcript line inside the Tinder view. What did we call? Did they have a name for the Tinder view? Fuck, this is so hard to read. I'm gonna copy this in cursor. It'll be easier to read. Oh my god, hiccups. Swipe. Chevron. Okay. Chevron left, chevron right. What is this view called? Manual categorization. Okay. Manual categorization. How is it meant to know which one's which? Because I'm pretty sure manual categorization is the. Alright, let's just try it. In the Tinder view, separate. No. In the Tinder view, show the upcoming transcript line under the current one. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, we could have also done this with Claude Sonnet. Let's actually try that. Let's see how good Claude is at AI. We'll give it the first prompt. I guess we save that in the Notion. An interface where user selects transcript, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. I prepended it with React.js just so it knows to create a React one. Okay, here we go. It's doing it. Sick. This is so sick. Damn, it couldn't do what I told it to do. We can try again. Oh, next. The next line we just added should be in its own box under the current one. Yeah, I'll go with that. Oh, this is cool. So this is the one Claude made. We'll drop down. Definitely not as nice as v0, but still very clean. We can add and remove categories, which is really good too. That's actually a cool feature. So functionally it's great, but I guess let's say style it with colors for each category. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so it added its own box, but the next line box should be outside of the current line box. Nice, that's actually really nice. Yeah, Claude's pretty good too with this. Oh, Key is still here. Key the penguin, yes. Actually, it's Kieran. See, I told you, yes. You're right, Flash Webby. Have I got access to Copilot Workspace? No, I don't. Bruce Rack is the chosen one. Yes, he is. He does have access. Oh, okay, there we go. It's better. That's better. Remove the text next and surround the next line in a gray box with like let's say 80% opacity. This is really cool. This is so cool. not great. We inspect it? No, we can't. Also add a box similar to next line, but for previous line, which should be above the current line. And then I guess after that, well, I'll try integrate this whole component, or yeah. I'm actually really excited to see how this works. This is so fast. Like it's been, I don't know, not very long. 26 minutes, including a toilet break. So maybe something like 16 minutes. Yeah, see you, Keegan. Thanks so much for dropping by. Yeah, like 16 minutes, and I've got the whole UI kind of working here. Let's see if we see previous line. Yeah, this is sick. This is so sick. Oh my God, editing is gonna be so fun. Hell yeah. This is fucking sick. All right, let's try integrate this now, I guess. Ooh. All right, so they have npx v0 add. Let's just Google if anyone else has made a tutorial. How to make an app with v0. Nice, this guy makes a tutorial in 7 minutes.
Let's build an AI application in 5 minutes and quickly generate some React and Tailwind code that I can use in my application. So I typed in I want this AI evals dashboard, just a pretty basic dashboard app. I picked the third option here. I paste it directly, or I can use the command line. So let's use the command line. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to stop my dev server, and I'm going to run this command. So we're going to use npx to run this, copy paste this.
Okay, so he's already had a next app. I guess he talks about it here.
Our NextJS application. So I've already ran that on the left. I've got my code.
All right, let's create new NextJS app. This is the first thing we need to do, just the boilerplate. We can do it with npx or yarn. I use yarn. npx, it doesn't really make much difference. Let's have a look at the current directory. Kind of looks like this. Let's go make directory web app. Wait, is this even a Git repo? It's not even a Git repository. I guess that was just a proof of concept. So we might go back and make the next app into its own folder. What are we gonna call it? Oh, that's a good question. We need a cool name. All right, we're gonna ask ChatGPT and Claude to fight it out to make a cool name. Let's bring that low. Come up with 20 names for an AI video editor app. The app categorizes transcripts automatically and provides a Tinder-like swipe experience. Tinder-like experience to make editing fun through transcripts. I don't know, some shit like that. Let's see. Boom, boom. Wow. Oh, I'm using 3.5. I want to use 4. 4.0. Okay. Swipe edit transcript trim. That's kind of cool. Clip swipe. Script slice, snap cut, or snap cut. Vidmind, edit flick, script scribe, smart splice, quick clip, transcript trend, word cut pro, transcript tech, fun edit. I like that one. Trans clipper. Trans clipper is kind of funny because it kind of has a double meaning. Trans clipper. I kind of want to do edit mate, ed fun trim, clip tinder, edit joy, swipe snip, swipe master. The thing is we don't really swipe. All right, let's give it some feedback. It should sound like it's fast and fun. All right, let's see. Zip edit, swift clip, flash cut, quick flick, rapid reel. Ooh, rapid reel. I like rapid reel. Rapid swipe, snap slice, joy clip, swift sense, quick clip. Is rapid reel a thing? Rapid reel isn't a thing? How much does a domain cost? Rapidreel.com. Ooh, registered in 1999. Let's see, are they hosting anything? It's a hose reel thing. Okay, that's fine. I think we're gonna go with rapid reel. That sounds good to me. This is the kind of vibe you should be feeling after you use rapid reel. What do you guys say? Trans editor, trans clips, snap cut, Claude is better. Are you building an app with AI? Yes, I am. Ciao, hello, Luki. Thanks for joining. How are you guys? Yay! Yo, we got Kanye West in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going with rapid reel. Rapid reel. Invalid project name, no capital letters. Okay. Rapid reel. Would you like to use TypeScript? Don't hate me, but no. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes. Would you like to use Tailwind? That's a great question. I think V0 uses Tailwind. How do we check here? What happened to my V0? Oh, there it is. CSS here. Ooh, what? Tailwind config. Yes, we are using Tailwind. Would you like to use src directory? Yes. App router? Yes. Customized default? No. All right. Now we have our boilerplate NextJS app. Almost. Okay, we've created it. Let's open that folder. Rapid reel. Let's go. I don't save this. Okay, this is our boilerplate Next.js project. Now, we can supposedly easily integrate our v0 component by just copying this command that they give us. npx v0 add and then the hash. Ow! Let's see what happens. You need to install the v0 package. Makes sense. All right, we need to initialize v0 at the latest in our root directory, supposedly, to create a components.json file, which I suppose holds a configuration for each component that we've introduced with v0. What should we call this component? Oh, that's a good question. What should we call this? Something like transcript dashboard. Should we just call it dashboard? Dashboard or categorizer. Categorize. Is that a word? I don't think it's a word, but it doesn't have to be a word. Def categorizer. Oh, it's got a wiki page. We're gonna use it. All right. It's gonna try integrate this component now. I don't know how it'll work, but I've never done this before, but really excited to see how it works. Clippy, no, that's too basic. I'm sure that already exists. You guys have some cool pictures, Fantastic, Yay, and Lukey. I like your guys' display pictures. Done. Okay. So we have the component now. It's put it in components categorizer.js. So cool. Okay. Let's just try run this with yarn dev. We might have needed to install the packages. Okay, maybe not. Supposedly we're hosting this. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's just the basic NextJS template. Now we want to edit page.js, supposedly. Where is that? App page.js. Okay, instead of all this, we want to let's see if that makes it just say home now. Yes, it does. Let's say import the package, import the component categorizer.jsx and render it. Do it, cursor, please. Okay, I think that should work. Let's see. Hey, it works. Awesome. Just like that, guys, we've implemented the UI we've created with v0 into our app. And now we can go like this and just categorize all our transcript. But obviously this is just hard-coded transcript. But just, yeah, still the UI is amazing. I love it. I love it. Dun, 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 dun. I love it. Okay, let's have a look at the actual code. Let's see, because we're probably going to do some manual, well, I say manual, but Cursor's probably going to do a lot of this code editing here. Maybe even Aider. For instance, I'd love to get Aider to develop a kind of light mode, dark mode switch here. I don't know how possible that is. And also we need to probably use Sonnet for Aider. Get 6% more likelihood of correct changes, which is really nice. But let's just start out with, we can use Sonnet on Cursor. See how well it does with implementing codebase wide changes, because you can see here we can chat with codebase. So let's try, say, implement switch to toggle from dark to light mode. Chat with codebase. Okay. Let's see if just based on a simple sentence, it's able to find the files and change them for me. Okay, first it wants to create a new component. Can it do this? If I click this button here is implement changes, will it create a new file? No, so it's asking me to apply it to the current file, which we're going to cancel because this should be in its own file, I'm pretty sure. Oh, and it's frozen. No, see? Oh, here we go. No, we're back. We're back. Keep waiting. Okay. Export theme toggle. And then where do we import theme toggle? In root layout in layout.js. Okay. And where does it want to import it from? Components theme toggle. Okay. Let's just create this file manually. We're going to save this in components theme toggle.jsx, right? Is that what it was looking for? Whoa, what's all this shit? Where's theme toggle? Okay, yep. All right, let's implement the Tailwind config changes. There's no apply change button, unfortunately, for this one. So it looks like we manually have to add this as well. What did they change? This all looks the same. Background image, gradient radial, that looks the same. Kind of looks the same. Let's have a look. Pretty much 13. Paste. Hold on. 15. Okay. I don't know if that's any different. Can we check? I think it's low-key the same thing. That's fine. Add the dark mode option in module exports. Where? Probably in the same config, I guess. Update the layout to include the toggle name. Okay, this one is we can apply just by clicking a button, which is really nice. It does the changes. We can accept them with Command Enter. Modify the global CSS to include dark mode. Okay, this one we have to manually copy, it seems. That's the thing about cursor again. It's like the edits where it takes multiple files. Sometimes you can just click a button and it applies the changes. Sometimes you have to manually copy paste, so it is a bit annoying compared to using something like Aider. This all looks the same to me. So it doesn't look like we have to change anything here. Okay. Oh, actually, we need to add the following to global CSS. Let's see. Will it correctly add it? Yes. That's really good. And then finally, we update the categorizer component to use the new theme. Sweet. Unfortunately, with this one, it's not letting me manually. Oh, well, maybe it just wants me to completely copy paste over this. So I might do that. I might just completely rewrite that and save layout.js and global CSS. All right, let's see if this broke. Yes, it did. What is the break? You're importing a component that needs to use state. Only works on client components. None of these are marked with use client. Okay, I think this will be really easy to get cursor to fix. Using the wrong, okay, there we go. Use client, just adds use client to the top. And I think, okay, it also changes the export default function. Still getting that error. Oh, I didn't save, my bad. Okay, new error. Expecting close bracket got end of file in the SVG, line 426. I'm just gonna keep feeding errors to cursor. It seems to do pretty good at fixing them, which is nice. And again, we get just that one click fix, which is super nice. Let's see the change here. Yep, pretty much. Oh, it removed a path and added a thing. Okay, whatever. Did I save it? I didn't save it. Nice. Oh, almost nice. Unsupported server component type undefined. Now this is weird. I don't know about this one. I should have committed my changes before I tried to add the dark mode switch. Let's apply these changes. Okay, it's re-added that, and the export default is different. Accept. Save. Still the same error. Oh, shit, man. Check that all, ensure you're encoding. Ah, shit. Crap. It's annoying. I would just revert my changes here, but maybe I can. Oh, I'm just gonna click U until we can't click U. Okay, this is what this used to look like. This is what this used to look like. Oh, we won't change this. I don't think we changed that. This is what that used to look like. This is what this used to look like. Okay, I think this actually might work. Just manually pretty much undoing all the changes we made for dark mode. Okay, we're back to where we started. Great. Let's commit this. Yo, some guy, hold on. Some guy said stop using git add dot because sometimes you accidentally add stuff and it's just a pain in the ass. So I think I saved the bookmark. No, I didn't. Hold on. Stop using git add dot. Here. Let's watch this.
I want you to stop using git add dot. It sets you up for failure. I want to set you up for success with patch adding. Patch adding is when you use git add.
Okay, we're gonna use git add dash p. So stop using git add dot, use git add dash p. This is patch adding, and it iteratively goes through chunk by chunk and asks you if you want to add this. You can say yes, no, QADSE. I don't know what QADSE question mark is, but we're just gonna do yes, no. This looks good. Yes. What is this categorizer? Yes, this is good too. This is a. I wish it said the file name up the top. I mean down the bottom. Tailwind config, yes. Yarn lock, yes. What is this? ESLint. This is. Why does it not say the file name? Oh, I guess it's the same file. Yarn lock. Maybe we can go A. Oh shit, A just does all. Git commit. Git commit. Okay, good. I think we wait, what? Untracked files src components. Why? Okay, we're going to get add dot. I don't know, dude. I don't know what I did wrong. We'll learn later. We will learn later. Initial commit with v0 component. Okay, we don't have a Git repository. Let's create one. Hello, Kale codes. How do I look from down here? Fine. It would be better if there was a one-click button to feed an error to cursor. There is from the terminal, but because the errors are coming in an external web browser, I guess, oh, you can still have it, but it's like an issue that NextJS has to integrate it, I think. Unless we compile it with something that wraps NextJS. Yeah, definitely possible. Definitely possible. Rapid Real. Let's go. Let's go, Rapid Real. Rapid Real, Rapid Real. Whoop, whoop. Rapid Real, Rapid Real. Git remote add, git push. Upstream, main, origin, bullshit. Okay. We have Rapid Real. Let's go. All right. All right. Should we try to use Sonnet? I think we should. All right, let's see. Claude console.anthropic. Do we have credits here? I don't think so. Settings. Billing. Oh, I have almost $2. Let's go. I think I did get the $5 credit. API keys. Might have to create one. Okay. Hope you guys like seeing my face, because you're gonna see my face while I set up. Actually, before I do that, I'll show you guys how we will set up. Go to connecting to LLMs on the Aider docs. And you can see here, this is how you set your Anthropic key. Very simple. And we're just going to run that in the terminal with my actual key, which I'm not going to show you guys, hopefully. Even though I always seem to leak it, we're going to not show you guys this time, hopefully.
My editor here, and I've already started my local application in the terminal too. So I have.
Where is this sound coming from, dude? What did I do? Hold on, I can stop it with this. No, I can't. No, where is this sound coming from, bro? How do you find out? What is this? I don't know where this sound is coming from, dude. How do you find out? There must be a way. Stop. 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 No, I'm muting. Muting. Boom. Okay. I have no idea where that came from. I'm trying to look for it. I have no idea, dude. I have no clue. Show window. Just finished. Must be from here. I have no idea. No idea. Who knows how to find out what is causing music to play on Mac? Or like where audio is coming from? One of your Chrome tabs? I like closed all of them, dude. Look. You can still hear it. I went to Chrome. I went show all windows. Okay, I only have 2 windows open. This one is just Live Center. Normally on Chrome, when there's sound playing, you see the thing. And then on the other one, nothing. There's no sound playing. I have no idea. We're just gonna mute it for all of us. Okay. Yo, what's up to Max? Hello. And Rabbit, thank you for the suggestion. And Milks, thank you for the follow. We set up our Anthropic key. Now we can run Claude. Apparently it works better with whole format, but you gotta know with whole format, we get limited context. Well, it takes up more context, and we can only output like 4K diff or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's try it. Let's just see what happens. Oh, great. I knew I'd do it. I freaking doxed my API key again. It's fine. Ah. All right, let's run. What was that? Aider. The thing is, we need to strategically. Oh, we need to use high-end switch to 3.12. And let's install, because Aider did an upgrade. Shout out to Paul. He's always upgrading. He's always working on Aider, so that's amazing. Thank you. So we're gonna upgrade Aider, and then we're going to we're gonna have to figure out which files to include into context. So when we tried to change it with cursor, we changed categorizer. Oh, we still have theme toggle. Okay, let's remove that. We change, remove unused theme toggle. Commit and push. Okay. All right. So I don't know. I guess we'll do this one by one. I'm gonna run Aider with Sonnet, and we're going to add the files we need. It's pretty much these ones. So we're gonna add categorizer. We're gonna add tailwind. We're gonna add layout. We're gonna add global CSS. That's it. Okay, sweet. That helps. Now we want to add a toggle switch so we can switch between light and dark mode themes. All right, let's go. Let's go, Aider. Can you do this? Unexpected error, cannot access local variable exception provider. What? I have no idea. I've never encountered this before. Let's see if anyone on the Aider Discord has ever encountered this issue. Yes, this guy. Update, I tried it. Update 2. It was an open. Oh, it's not possible to use. Wait, what? Right, so it's an open router thing. So this sonnet command actually uses open router. Anthropic Claude Sonnet. But maybe we can just do it like this. Aider -- sonnet. It says it's 3.5. Let's try. Let's try that. Aider -- sonnet. Claude 3.5 sonnet. Okay. Whole edit. Excellent. Weak model Claude haiku. Oh, interesting. And can we add all of these again? No. Might have to do it manually. Categorizer, tailwind, layout, global. Add categorizer, tailwind, layout, global. Okay. All right. And can I find that command I had? The prompt I had? Where was it? Here. Add a toggle switch. Blah blah blah. We could also say ask 3 clarifying questions to help you make better decisions. That also helps. Although it should be pretty straightforward. Where would you like the theme toggle to be placed in the UI? 1, it should be in the top bar. 2, do you want a pre-built component? Pre-built is fine. Creating one, you can just say up to you. Up to you. 3, should the theme preference be saved in local storage? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Oh wow, this is cool interface. We have a loading bar this time because it actually knows it needs to process this many lines because it's a whole edit, which seems to work better if it gives code to completely change the whole file rather than just a small diff part of it. It looks like it maybe got stuck here though. Uh-oh. Stuck at 67%, not looking good. Come on, Sonnet, you can do it. You can do it, Sonnet. You can do it. No, we hit the token limit. Damn. On the output. That is an issue with the whole. All right, we're gonna try it without the whole. We're gonna turn off edit format whole. This could lead to some issues. Who knows? Hopefully not. Oh, nice. We have the conversation prompt saved. We'll ask it the exact same thing. I wonder if it'll ask the exact same follow-up questions. Do you want the theme toggle to be global that persists across all pages? Yes. Okay, these are new questions, interestingly. 2, are you using any state management library? No. 3, do you have any existing UI components, library, or design system in place? We have Tailwind config JSX. Oh, I didn't add the files. Oh, fuck. All right, let's start again. Where would you? Okay, so this is the first question. One in the header nav bar up top of the page. 2, dark is default. Actually, we'll make light is default because that's kind of how the thing worked. To the theme, yes, use local storage. It's fine. Oh, local storage is fine. That's fine. Okay. So now we don't have the loading bar because it's using diff format, so it's finding specific code to search and replace. So you can see the search and replace kind of keywords. Yeah, and it's working really fast and really well. It's creating a new file, toggle JSX, and supposedly that's it. Wow. See, that's what I mean about Aider. It's a lot faster to do these multi-file edits compared to Cursor. So when it comes to big edits, I like to use Aider. Let's see if this is still running. And we can see we actually have a really dark mode switch that works perfectly, man. I love Aider so much. Wow. That is so nice, guys. Fuck yeah, Aider. And we even got a little icon here. So good, man. Shout out to Aider. I love it so much. This is great. We've made this whole app and I haven't even written a single line of code manually. Thanks to Aider. Amazing. Amazing stuff, bro. Amazing. So happy. So happy about that. Okay, and we can see the changes. If we wanted to, let's just add everything. They all look good. Oh, you know what? We actually don't even need to manually do this. We can use Aider to commit. You can go commit, and Aider will actually commit, and it even writes the commit message, added the theme toggle component, updated global style, support dark mode. How good is that? Can we push with Aider? Doesn't look like it. That's fine. We can manually push. Git push. Git push. Git push. Ah, so good, man. Coding is so much easier now with AI. I love it. I love it. This is the main focus of this channel too at the moment, is coding with AI and how good it is. It's amazing. It's so good. Also, what do you guys think? Nothing much. Nothing much. That's fine. Ooh, add a fade animation. Yeah, we can definitely keep going, making it better, but we got the basics. Dark mode is definitely a basic necessity for me. It interestingly defaults on the swipe mode, which is fine. We can change that. We can probably change that really easy. This might be a manual code change that I'm going to do. Let's open up categories and find where the initial state for is editing manually here. If we change that to true, it should, yeah. Now by default we have this page, which I think is a better overlook page. Yeah, this is really cool UI. So essentially what the UI is gonna be like is either like this, you can categorize each kind of line into different categories, and it then we'll have like a compile button down the bottom or something, and it'll turn all of the different, it'll combine the different categories. So for instance, if we have the reviewing AI tool, and for each category it'll create a new clip. So for reviewing AI tool, it will just compile all the green ones. So it'll be like, hello, welcome to our discussion on AI tools we've been testing. I'm really excited to share my thoughts and feedback. And then it'll skip all this and be like, what do you think about the user interface? Oh, and I forgot, grab a snack if you need one, right? So, and then the blue will be its own clip. And this is kind of like the interface I've envisioned for editing videos in the future for me. And then the other interface, this is probably the one that I'm most excited about, is this kind of Tinder swipe interface. So it's just like this, but instead of manually going through and doing this, you can kind of go through manually and do it really fast with these hotkeys. You can see it's like 1, 2, 3 for these categories. We can be like 1, 2, 3, and keep going one by one. And we got an error here at the end. That's fine. We can debug later. But then, yeah, we can categorize like that, kind of like a really fast swipe interface, Tinder interface, even though we're not swiping at all. Yeah. Is there any command named gitignore? It randomly popped in my mind. Gitignore is a file that specifies what Git should ignore. So there might be a command that you can add files to gitignore, but here's the gitignore we have here. And pretty much like anything that gets built using the source code, you don't want to really put it in gitignore. So the build folder, for instance, you don't really want to push it to Git. All these big files, all the node modules and stuff. It would be really big if we pushed all that to Git. So we put that in gitignore, and the user can just like yarn install or npm install to get all these modules, and npm run build to get the build, etc. And then Ada has its own kind of log files that we don't need to commit either. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked that. So that pretty much shows my user interface for the video editor I want to make. And we're going to be submitting this to Buildspace week 2 build a toy. So yeah, super keen on that. So pretty much this is the kind of video we might make at the end. I forgot I muted my audio. Yeah. But yeah, I'm really excited. Shout out to V0, Cursor, and Ada. These 3 AI tools, I've used this stream to make this app. Really helped out so much. Made it so much fun. Like, it's actually fun to build these apps with these tools for me. So yeah, it's been great. What else do we have on the agenda? Llama file on Android. Ooh. Oh yeah, and lazy AI VS Code. That's actually something I could have tested as well. Actually, let's try that now. Let's try that now with the initial prompt. Let's see what kind of user interface lazy AI makes. Are we logged in here? Let's log in. I'm going to use the same prompt and see how lazy compares to v0, openUI, GPT call. Session not found. Looks like it's trying to open some weird project. We're just going to go to the getlazy website. Okay, untitled app. Cool. So yeah, it's gonna say, oh, web interface where user sees transcripts from a long video, blah blah blah. The exact same prompt. Well, 99% the same prompt that I gave all the other tools. And now it's going to write some acceptance criteria for that. Very cool. So a bit of like chain of prompting. And now I can look over this and accept it or give some feedback. Looks good. And it's going to go build it. All right. And it's done. It's just going to let us run this thing and deploy it to their test cloud. Finally something focused on Android. Oh, you want to see Llama file on Android? Okay. To set up for that, I need to find the open source visor. What was that called? Scrippy, yeah, this one. Does this work on Mac? Yes, it does. Let me download this. Oh, with just brew. Oh, sweet. Brew install Scrippy. I also need ADB. I think I have ADB. I mean, we can do that again. Sudo port alternatively. Okay, very cool, very cool. Let's see how lazy goes. Okay. This looks pretty nice. Oh, this is the transcript. Okay, so oh, there we go. This is pretty cool. Let's just highlight text and apply different categories to it. Pretty cool interface, pretty unique. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I do prefer the v0 version though. All right, let's have a look at their code. They now have VS Code style code editor, but I think we still are limited by the deployment. Unfortunately, the deployment of like my issue with lazy was every time we made a code change, it would have to deploy, and it was previously really slow at some times and sometimes failed. So I was excited when they announced VS Code because I thought it would mean we could run lazy inside the VS Code IDE and build stuff locally. But it seems they rather brought VS Code IDE to be inside lazy web apps. So I think we're still limited by the deployment, etc. So we can save this, save code, and yeah, it still needs to deploy, I guess. Bit annoying. Like a small change like that in just the hard-coded text would have been an instant hot reload if we were running it locally, but still limited to the... It just slows you down. That's why I've kind of stopped using lazy. The deployment is a bit slow for my liking. Like you saw how fast we iterated with v0. Because v0 is just focused on the front end, whereas lazy kind of builds your whole stack. Maybe not every time, maybe it doesn't deploy the whole stack every time, but it could if you do whole stack changes. So yeah, still cool though. I think it's definitely very useful, and they're gonna keep getting better. Like this experience right now is already a lot better than it was when I first used getlazy. So yeah, shout out to them. All right, should we try Llama file on Android? We have an error. We need Xcode select. it seems. Wait, what is this issue? No. The bottle needs the Apple command tools to be installed. Oh. Let's use cursor so we can debug with AI. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, here we go. Oh no, we have another fucking Xcode install. This could take like 3 hours again. Maybe I'll do the llama file on Android on a different version. 32 hours, bro. What the? What? Okay, 2 minutes. Instead of typing, use speech to text. Like instead of hard-coded text, tell it to add a mic button that will record your voice and convert it to text and allow you to edit that? Wait, what? Why don't you tell Lazy to make the video editor using transcript? Instead of typing using speech. Wait, what? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Like I'm uploading the transcript, which will be automatically made using the Shush API, which is a whole but another thing. Okay, I might do the llama file on Android next stream. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Gonna leave it here. We did 2 hours today. That's pretty good for me. I mean, it was really fun. I really enjoyed coding with AI. If you haven't noticed, that's kind of one of the things I'm passionate about. I think the coffee definitely did help as well. I've been having a lot of coffee. But yeah. But yeah, thanks so much. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Simon, thanks for the follow. Flashwebby, as always, thank you for the huge engagement. You're obviously MVP in the YouTube chat. Appreciate you, man. Max, thanks for the like. And yeah, we'll be slowly heading off. Yeah. Oh, Paul. What's up, man? Hope you're well. We might do some different... Oh, yeah, for everyone not on TikTok, actually, let me show you guys. This is a live studio, live center. I went live yesterday on only TikTok. Subwave is turned on. It challenges your viewers to do that. It sounds very forced. I think I can watch my last VOD. Wait, why are these all 27th? Oh, these are just highlights. Oh, that's cool. Let's watch this one. Yes, I was just filming myself stream. I mean, it was kind of boring, so I didn't want to waste YouTube time. But how do I see the whole VOD? Can I do that? What am I pressing here? Do here, Digital Nomad AMA, and then eventually we got Matt Farmer on. If you guys are following AI people on TikTok. Oh, actually, I forgot my fucking voice.
I always do AI learning lab.
Bro, there's still the weird ass music and I have no idea where it's coming from. Maybe Discord. Nope. Oh. Actually, it could be from Streamlabs. I know I have an app on Streamlabs that plays music. Was this not also on YouTube? Why isn't everything cross-platform? Yeah. Right now, this normal stream that I do, like this one, it's cross-platform on TikTok, YouTube, everything. But yesterday, I just did only TikTok off my phone. Just trying like different formats and stuff. Where? Okay, maybe it's not Streamlabs. I don't know. I can't figure out where the sound is coming from. Hold on. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Surely it knows. How can I find out what app is playing music on Mac? Check the menu bar, open activity monitor. Use the sound control. Oh, wait, yes. Here? No. Sound. Settings? No. Click the sound icon. It will show. Huh? Click the sound icon. Oh, Pretzel Rocks. I knew it was Streamlabs. Bloody Streamlabs. It won't even let me pause it, bro. Fucking Streamlabs, man. There's no like user interface for the song either. Bro, Streamlabs is so fucked. Like why? Why do you do this to us, Streamlabs? It wouldn't even let me post on fucking YouTube today either, man. Oh no. Command Shift A. Command Shift A. Oh, that's on Chrome, right? What would that do? The Mac extension, actually playing audio, mine's mostly a tab that uses that shortcut, right? I mean, I found it, it just, I can't even pause it, bro. I don't even know. We're just gonna have to end the stream, I think. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I had a talk with Matt Farmer yesterday. Nothing really interesting was said, but yeah, I don't know, just thought I'd bring that up, I guess. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on another day. Max asked which library recommended to save complex projects in client side. Complex objects, sorry. Complex objects in client side. Interesting question. Can you just use JSON files? I normally put everything in JSON. If it gets more bigger and complex, I'd probably say don't have it in your front end. Have it in like blob storage, so something like AWS S3, and then pull it on load or when it's needed from the AWS through an API. I think. I don't know. That's my off the top of the head thoughts on that. But yeah, thanks guys. Streaming tomorrow? Unlikely. I'm actually traveling tomorrow to Bangkok. So unlikely. But the day after, maybe. Yeah, also what is a complex object? That's a great question. I'm assuming it's like a complex JSON object, JavaScript object. In that case, I think you can just use a JavaScript file. I mean JSON file, but yeah. Yeah. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I'll see you